What I've got here is a 42-piece metric ratcheting tap and die set. Check this out. You've got your different dies for screws, and you have your taps for your screw holes or bolt holes, and you have your ratchet accessories here. You have these little die right here that are threaded. Now this one is a 6mm by 1, and what you do is if you have a bolt that the threads are messed up on, you make sure you have the right one, and you just screw that bolt in with a screwdriver. And you latch it onto something, you can use this to get that placed and use your ratchet to really crank that down and get it fixed. The next thing we have is our little dies here. And so I'm gonna find my 6x1, it's the same size. Open up the little collar here. And we'll lock that in like so. Now you have the option of this or the option of this. And that's what I'm going to use there. I'm going to take that off, but this is what you're going to start it with. Say that I want to be able to use this bolt in this track here, this aluminum track. So what I'm going to want to do is to thread it through here. In order to do that, I'm going to need to drill out a little hole. So we're going to find a drill bit that's slightly smaller than this screw, and we'll drill us a little hole right there in the middle. Okay, now that hole is drilled, I'm going to take my tap and I'm just going to put it right here, and I'm going to start it like so. Now I'm going to take this off. I'm going to use my ratchet, put some down pressure on it. And I'm just going to work it in there like so. I'm going to take my time because this isn't very thick material. Okay, so we can see that that is now tapped and threaded. Now that I have it threaded, I can take my bolt and screw it in, just like that. That's how you would use this handy dandy tap and die set.